Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to cancel Promova subscription. Now guys, the first thing that you need to do is go to the App Store and download the application if you already don't have it. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Promova videos where you can see how you can do this. Then guys, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Promova. But again guys, if you do not have an account here, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Promova videos where you can also see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the Promova application where we have a lot of different options. First of all, we have my plan. So here you can go and see the plan that Promova made for you by asking you some questions which you answered, and they made a lesson plan for you. So this is on the home screen. We have the courses where when you click on, you will get just a second.
What is your name?
You will have your process here where you can go and learn. So
what is your job?
Which is your process for today. You have that's for your courses. We have lessons where you can have upcoming lessons, past lessons, how it works, step 1, 2, 3, and your profile where you can see everything on the profile, where you can sign in, you can go and unlock stuff. You can see your courses here, handy links, etc, etc. Now guys, let's see how you can actually cancel a Promova subscription. You need to log into your profile, go to personal information, go to Payments and Subscription tab, find your subscription, and in the top right corner click the 3 dots and choose Cancel. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be guys seeing you in the next video. Bye guys!